Hello guys. Today, we are going to learn how to use DOTween to spawn and rotate a coin. So let's get into it. I have this simple URP scene from the previous video. I have already installed DOTween. I removed everything, so there's only this empty scene. Let's create a platform first. 3D object, cube. Call it platform. Reset its position. Let me zoom in and change the scale of the cube to make it more platform look-alike. Let me move the camera too, so we can see it. Let's create a coin. 3D objects, sphere. Rename to coin 001. Reset its position. Set its scale to make it more coin-like. Let's create material for the coin too. Call it coin mat. Assign it to the coin we just created. Change the color to yellowish. Pump up the metallic a bit too. Give it some emission so that it glows a bit. Nice! Just like a coin. Create a folder called Material and move the material to it. Create a new folder called Script. And inside the folder, create a new script, call it Coin Controller. Let's go to the script. Remove the comments. We will be using DOTweening. Let's go to the start function. Transform. Do. We can do local rotate. This will rotate the coin. It takes end value, duration, and mode as parameters. So let's create our end value. Private vector 3. Rotation, which will be a new vector 3. With 360 in the Y. Pass it to the do local rotate. For the duration, let's do 2 seconds. What we are doing here is to rotate a coin to 360 degrees in 2 seconds. But since DOTween will use the shortest route to complete the animation, 0 and 360 are the same at the end. So you will not see the coin moving if you enter play mode now. So we need to change the mode. We can use rotate mode, fast beyond 360, which will rotate the coin. Don't forget to set loops. -1 for infinity loops. Let's go back to Unity. Attach the script to the coin. Enter play mode. You will see the coin spins. But it spins fast in the beginning, and pauses a bit before the next spin. That's because, by default DOTween uses out quad for the ease type. Let's fix that too. Go back to the script. At the end, set the ease to linear. Back to Unity. Enter play mode. You will see this time it spins very smoothly. Exit play mode. We can duplicate the coins. Let's duplicate 3 more coins. Enter play mode. All coins are spinning nicely. Let's give them a spawn animation as well. Go back to the code. Before the spin starts, we can set the scale to 0. Transform. Do scale to 0. In 0 seconds. This will scale the coin to 0 immediately. Then we can set it back to 1. Transform. Do scale to 1, in 1 second. Go back to Unity. Enter play mode. Oops, forgot we adjusted our coin scale. Let's fix that. Back to code. Let's store the coin scale before we set it to 0. Create a vector3 variable, call scale. And set transform, scale to the variable before we do anything. Then pass the variable to the second do scale. Let's see how it looks. Enter play mode. Nice. Let's see that again. Since we spawn the coins, we should be able to destroy them as well, right? Let's create the onMouseDown function. And inside the function, we will just scale the coin down to 0. Transform, do scale. 0 in 1 second. DOTween provides a callback after the animation too. We can use onComplete, and pass an action to it. We can destroy the coin once the animation is completed, or you can put it back in the pool, if you are using object pooling. Let's see how it looks. Enter play mode. And if we click the coin in the game view, it will scale and get destroyed. Let me move the camera, so we can see other coins too. But it's a bit too slow. And doesn't look natural. Let's fix that. We can set the ease type to outCirc. And set the duration to 0.3. Go back to Unity. Enter play mode. Click the coin. Much better. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.